Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. I've got this Karcher patio cleaner. Don't know if I've got a model number on it. I don't see one. It's got some warnings on it. It's just a thing that you put down on the patio, put the power washer on, press play, and this is meant to helicopter around and spray and spray and spray. One of the jets I think is blocked because it doesn't move. It doesn't go at all. It sprays out of one jet but not the other. So I just wonder if it's a simple matter of pushing these little metal dealies out. I'll just push this out with my finger and now I can grab it with the pliers and pull. Let's see if there's anything in here. That's the jet, and you can see daylight at the end of it there. So I think that one's probably okay. They only go in one direction, and then that little clip just goes in. So let's try it in the other one. Pushing it out with my fingers. You could probably use a screwdriver or something to do it instead. And lever that out like that. And then wiggle this out, and yeah, I can't see down that one. So let's clean it a little bit. Because what I'm going to do is just put my mouth up to it and blow it out. Get all the snots off it. More than likely this is all dog poo. You know, I don't know what it is, but... Okay, so... No, it's quite blocked. Okay. I have an idea. So these are tip cleaners for welding torches. And I realise that not everybody will have these, but they cost very little. You get them in any kind of welding supply shop. And let's get the smallest one, because these jets just look to be plastic. And push this in. That's it. There was something in there, but I didn't catch what it was. I could feel a bit of resistance and then it was gone. So that's the jet clear. I can blow through it now. And give it a little clean, and there's a little O-ring seal there, you'll see. Now what I hope is that the stuff isn't just caught in there and will come straight back out again. So how can I check that? I don't really know. Okay, so I'll take another one of these fatter tip cleaners. Get a bit of tissue or a bit, we'll try with this cloth. Just a bit of rag. Because it's probably just a little bit of sand or something that's gotten in the end of the hose, and that's it. It's stuck. And you know, the force is fine. You can see there the yellow in the center, so it's clear now. So if there's just a single jet pushing, it doesn't seem to do its trick, but if you've got two, it seems to work fine. Well, I don't know, we'll see if it works fine now. Put that clip back in, let's bring it out to the power washer. Outside now, let's couple it on. It's still not working, so hopefully still not working. Something's wrong in the middle there. So back in at the bench, and it wasn't as simple as I'd hoped. Let's see what happens if we take this nut off. See, it spins really freely, but something's not quite right. I don't think taking that off is going to make any difference. It should be really free. Let's just see what happens. Let's see if this can come off. Yeah, that will come off. Maybe it's not on tight enough. Maybe it's on too tight. I don't know. Okay, so the water comes down the center and then goes into this banjo part here. Well, it's not the banjo, that's the banjo. A lot of brass in here, that's good to see. I like brass. Okay, maybe it's not tight enough if it just came off finger tight like that. Let's put it back together and see if that helps. It does seem to be spinning quite freely there. So one more look in these. screwdriver this time. Just push it down and pull it out. That looks clear to me, so does this one. I'm going to give him a shot of compressed air just to see. Okay, so this might show up, but when I ran the compressed air through it, one was coming through better than the other. So this one here I think is clean. You can see there. But this one over here, there's a little bit of something stuck in it. There could be a load of stuff stuck down in this hose, so I might have just pushed something in last time and not really fixed the problem at all. Now, how do I know if we've gotten it out? I'll give it another shot of air. Well, I think both of them are clean. Difficult to say. Put it back together. The easiest way to test it is outside. We're losing daylight. Pretty much lost daylight at this stage out there. Do it quickly. Okay, that's not a party I ever want to be invited to, but questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching. See you later.